If you're thinking of buying an action camera in 2026, hold up, because the cameras this year are on another level. We're talking ridiculous stabilization, cinematic slow-mo, crazy low-light performance, and sizes so small, you'll forget you're even wearing them. Before you spend a single dollar, watch this. Imagine having a camera that you can literally stick anywhere. Your cap, your dog, your bike handle, your shirt, and it captures buttery smooth POV footage without you holding anything. That's the Insta360 Go 3. At just 32 gigabytes, this tiny beast is perfect for creators who want quick, hands-free shots. You get Insta360's flow state stabilization, a waterproof body up to 16 feet, and the Action Pod that gives you a flip screen, remote control, and extended battery life. It's lightweight, discreet, ridiculously versatile, and ideal for travel or vlogs where carrying big gear kills the moment the limitation. Storage is fixed, so don't expect long continuous recordings. But for creative POV shots, this thing is unmatched. If you've ever wished the Go 3 had more detail, the Go 3S is basically Insta360 reading your mind. It keeps everything that makes the Go series iconic: the ultra-tiny footprint, the magnetic mounting system, the hands-free recording, but steps it up with better quality, more memory, 64 gigabytes, and quicker processing. It's one of the easiest cameras to carry daily. No heavy rigs, no big cameras attracting attention. Just mount and go. The best part? Upgraded stabilization and improved HDR give your footage that, wow, how is this so smooth and feeling? The only downside is the same fixed storage situation. But if portability is your priority, the Go 3S is a winner. Here's where the fight gets serious. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is a powerhouse for anyone who wants the absolute sharpest, fastest footage while still avoiding the price tag of a cinema camera. You get a massive 1/1.3-inch sensor, 4K at 120 frames per second, rock-steady stabilization, a waterproof build, and subject tracking that's scary good. The dual OLED touchscreens make framing stupidly easy, even if you're mid-air on a bike or diving underwater. It's perfect for sports creators who want crisp, dynamic footage in any environment. The only real con? It's bigger than the Go series and not as stealthy, but the performance makes up for it instantly. What if you want a pro-quality camera but don't need the absolute newest? The Osmo Action 4 still destroys most action cams today. With its 1/1.3-inch sensor, incredible low-light imaging, waterproof design, and long 160-minute battery life, this thing is built for adventure. Whether you're skiing at dusk, biking through forests, or shooting night street clips, the colors and clarity remain top-tier. DJI's 10-bit color and D-Log-M support mean you can color grade like a pro. It's slightly older now, sure, but it still holds its ground and often costs less. If you want value without losing quality, this is a perfect sweet spot. Here comes the camera that makes everything else feel okay. The Ace Pro 2 is Insta360's biggest flex yet. 8K recording, a 1/1.3-inch sensor, co-engineered with Leica, dual AI chips for noise reduction and color, insane low-light performance, and seriously upgraded audio. This thing is built for creators who want their action footage to look like high-end documentary footage. It's waterproof, rugged, and fast. And with the dual battery bundle, you can shoot all day without stopping. The con? It's not as tiny as the Go series and not as affordable. But if you want the best of the best, this is the camera to beat in 2026. All the cameras I talked about are linked in the description. Check them out to see updated prices and deals on Amazon. If this helped you choose your next action cam, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one you'd pick for your next adventure.